Rise and grind, back at you with another video of the Pull Up King. In this one we got a 2019 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive 1.5 turbo, and we're doing the rear brake pads and rotors. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it without the scan tool. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
We got two 13 mils top and bottom. I got my vice grips holding that so it don't turn on me, but that's a 17 mil. You can put on that a wrench to hold that. These pads definitely low. These pads done. That's the original GM. Next we got an 18 mil here, and one you go right through there. It's right behind here. Easy. The top one easy. The bottom one gonna be a little harder. Alright, we're gonna get right behind it. Alright, got it out. So since I don't have my impact driver, I'm using a T30 and an extension, and I'm going to tap the end of it with my hammer just to give it a little impact so I can loosen the bolt. Now we can take off the rotor. Brand new. Got to clean that oil off of it, the surface. See all of that rust. Brake cleaner. I'm gonna do both sides. Make sure you lubricate those guide pins. Get you some Loctite orange, preferably, before installing those bolts for the bracket. You want to take off the old hardware, these clips here. So I'm gonna go ahead and manually push this piston back. Got to take off this unit on the back side. I unhooked that connector there. T30. Now to get back here, I bent that out some so I can get in there. Alright, we pop this off, get that to the side. Now we're gonna stick our T45. Alright, so I turned it to the right all the way until I couldn't turn it anymore. And now I'm gonna go ahead and push this piston back. Now this little tool is what I'm using. Put it right on there. 3 notches. Push and turn and twist it to the right. Now that boot is gonna bunch up. You wanna go ahead and try to fix that before it tears. You don't want to tear it. So what I did to straighten that boot out, I just turned it counterclockwise, went backwards, and it straightened back out. Alright, we all the way back, just like that. And now we're just gonna turn it counterclockwise and close it. What I'm doing here, I just put these bolts in just to hold the caliper on, and I put that T45 in there. I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, and when I do it, it's gonna close the piston. You can see it closing. It's touching. And that's pretty much it, so you can't go anymore. And that right there will do it. Now we're gonna reinstall. And that is it.